Hi, this is Sarah. I'm outside at my house and it's a little windy. I think a storm's coming, so if it's loud, I'm sorry about that. I'm here to talk to you about making some backyard food chains and looking at what kind of animals are connected right in our backyards. So a food chain is how we show how animals are connected to each other, animals and plants. And so a food chain shows the flow of energy. Energy starts with the sun, and then plants collect that energy from the sun to make food. And then animals eat those plants. We call those plant eaters herbivores. And then meat eater animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. And when we put those all together, we can show how that energy from the sun goes from the sun to the plants, to the plant eater animals, and then to the meat eater animals. And the energy that the meat eaters get from their food is coming originally from the sun. That's pretty amazing. So our food chains will show us that flow of energy when we can make a picture or words to show how they're connected. So you're going to do that right here in your backyard, and we've got a little game or activity for you to create some food chains. So all you need to do this is some sidewalk chalk. So we want you to get outside and be drawing outside. So if you have some sidewalk chalk or any other kinds of chalk, you can do that. If you don't have sidewalk chalk, you could just use paper and colors and bring it outside with you. And you need a dice. And if you don't have a dice, you can actually make one out of cardboard and some tape and some markers or something. But bring a dice out with you and some sidewalk chalk. Then on our instruction sheet, I've got it right here. You can print this off. You're going to roll your dice. And when you roll the dice, it's going to show you an animal. That the number you get on the dice will help you pick an animal that you're going to start your food chain with. And then you'll draw that animal on the ground. And I'm going to show you a food chain that my daughter Gwendolyn made here on the ground at our house. And now when we have video, it looks like everything's backwards. So she started out with the rabbit, and she drew the rabbit here, and then she filled in the rest of the food chain. She thought about, what did the rabbit eat? The rabbit eats grass, so she drew the grass. And she thought about, what might eat a rabbit? Oh, an owl might eat the rabbit, so she drew the owl. And she remembered that it all starts with the sun's energy. She made sure to draw arrows showing that energy coming from the sun to the rabbit and to the owl. So the energy that the owl gets from eating the rabbit actually came all the way from the sun. All right, so that's an example of a drawing that you can do following the directions on here, or you can use this food chain down at the bottom. All right, have fun.